A very good morning, students. Today we will study the second graphical representation, that is frequency polygon. Now, here you will be studying what do you mean by frequency polygon and how we are going to draw it. Frequency polygon is a curve which is represented with a given data. Now, how we draw a frequency polygon? A frequency polygon can be drawn with the help of a histogram or without the help of a histogram. Depending on the question, you have to decide that whether along with histogram polygon has to be drawn or just a polygon. If nothing is given to you, then directly you represent on the graph frequency polygon. Then, how a frequency polygon is drawn? Here what we do is, all the tops of the adjacent rectangle are joined with the help of a scale. All the tops, when I say, we are going to take into account the mid of the, for example, if this is your histogram, what we do is the midpoint, these are the midpoints of your histogram. So all the midpoints of the top of the rectangle, this is your rectangle, are joined with the help of a scale. So what we do is, we are going to join these midpoints. Then, to bring the area of the histogram and the frequency polygon same, what we do is, we take even the baseline points, the middle of this. So what we do is, we join this also, so that the area of the histogram and the frequency polygon will be the same. So how do we draw histogram is, the midpoints of the top of the adjacent means next to each other, are joined with the help of a scale. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತ. Now we will solve one example, then you will come to know exactly how it is drawn. Prepare a histogram and frequency polygon from the following data. So, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ for histogram and frequency polygon. So, ಎರಡು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂತ. First we will draw histogram. You are given x and f. X stands for class, f stands for frequency. Before we draw the histogram, give the title histogram and frequency polygon. So here you take into account OX axis and OY axis. On OX axis you will represent the class, this is X values, and on OY axis you will represent the frequency, that is F. Once this is done, what is the scale you have taken? Write it. Scale X axis 1 unit is equal to what? You have to write. Y axis 1 unit is equal to, or 1 centimeter is equal to, yes, ಇದು totally paper size ಅಥವಾ available space ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವ 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇವಿದಾವ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 1 centimeter or 1 unit we will be taking as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. The last value is 60. So scale in the x-axis is 10. ಆಮೇಲೆ y-axis ಇಲ್ಲಿ values ನೋಡ್ರಿ 13, 17, 15, 13 and 5. 5 minimum ಇದೆ, maximum 17 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So the scale of y-axis is 2. Now we will present all the classes and frequency. First we will draw histogram, and with the help of histogram we will draw frequency polygon. First class is 10 to 20. 10 to 20, what is the frequency? 13. So 13 is here. Use the scale and draw the histogram. 10 to 20. So 13. 10 to 20. One rectangle mark करेंगे. Next 20 to 30. How much it is? 17. 20 to 30, it is 17. So 17, how much? 10 and 20 to 30. Amen. 30 to 40, how much it is? 15. 30 to 40, 15. Then 40 to 50, 13. Then your last class is 50 to 60. The value is 5. 50 to 60, 5. So this is your histogram and frequency polygon. So ಈ histogram ನಾವು frequency polygon draw ಮಾಡೋಣ. How it is drawn is all the mid points of the tops of the adjacent rectangles. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ tops 1, this one is 2, 3, 4, 5. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಬೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪ್ mid point, mid of 10 to mid of 0 to 10 is 5. 1 point ಕೊಡ್ರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 10 to 20, mid point will be 15. ಅದೇ ತರ 20 to 30 top mid, 20 to 30 mid ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 25. 30 to 40 mid point 35. 40 to 50 mid one is 45. 50 to 60 middle is 55. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪ್ adjacent rectangles, adjacent ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಜು ಒಂದು ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now join all these points using a scale. A last one ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Middle it will be 65. Join all of them with the help of a scale. Scale use ಮಾಡಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ mid points join ಮಾಡಿ. So this is your frequency polygon. ಇದು ಹಿಸ್ಟೋಗ್ರಾಮು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗೇನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಿಸ್ಟೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಜೊತೆನೇ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಪಾಲಿಗಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ವಿದೌಟ್ histogram I will draw frequency polygon. How it is? Just check it out. For the same problem, without the help of histogram or without histogram, how frequency polygon is drawn. Take the scale as it is. In scale idava ide tara tagolre 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Then y axis same scale, then we go with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So each particular graph again now directly frequency polygon ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ. So how do I draw it? All the mid values ಗೆ ನೀವು frequency ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So first class ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು 10 to 20. ಇದು 10 to 20. ಇದ್ರ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 15. Is it so? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 13 ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಾಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿ. Middle of 10 to 20 it is 15. What will be the height? It will be 13. So where is 13? Here it is. Scale idre straight way 13 ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಾಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 10 to 20 to 30 17. 20 to 30 ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 25. 25 ಗೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ 17. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 17 ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್. ಸೊ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ವೇ 17 ಹೈಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ 30 to 40 how much it is 15. 30 to 40 middle will be 35. Height ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು 15. So it will be here. Then 40 to 50 13. 40 to 50 middle ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 35. ಅದರ height ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 13. So give a mark for 13. The last one is 50 to 60 5. 50 to 60 middle ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 55. ಅದರ height ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು 5. So mid 5 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. 0 to 10 5 ಒಂದು ಡಾಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ 60 to 70 ಗೆ ಮಿಡಲ್ 65 ಒಂದು ಡಾಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. Then join all these dots with the help of a scale. So this is your frequency polygon. Whatever the rules are there for histogram, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. histogram ನ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈವನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದಾವ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 10. The difference between upper limit and lower limit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 10. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆ. Here also we have the same value and even for the last. So even class ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Unequal class ಇದ್ದ you will convert it. Discontinuous you do convert it into continuous series. The same rules apply for frequency polygon. So here only thing what we do is midpoint you have to take and join all the dots with the help of a scale. You just go through your different statistical authors books and it is very easy to find out. So in the next class we will study frequency curve. Thank you.